Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial channel once again. Feel welcome to join. For the new subscribers, remember to hit the like button so that you turn the notification on. So in front of me I have a typical simultaneous equation where we are required to find the value of x and y for x plus y is equals to 8 and xy is equals to 15. So this is a typical simultaneous equation combined with a bit of quadratic equation. So I'll take you step by step up to the end. So don't touch the dial. Remember to comment. So on the solution part, I'll call this equation 1 and this is equation 2. So using equation 1, I'll make 1 the subject. Let me say y. So if I take y, then I'll take x on the other side as 8 minus x. Next step, I'll come and substitute in equation 2 this problem, and it will be where there is y, I'll put 8 minus x should be equals to 15. So opening the bracket, I'll have 8x minus x squared should be equals to 15. I want to rearrange it so that it becomes a quadratic equation. It will be x squared minus 8x plus 15 is equals to 0. So guys, this is quadratic equation, and I'll solve it using factorization method. Solving it quadratically, I'll find the product, the coefficient of x squared and this as 15. The sum will be negative 8. I want the two factors, which if I multiply I get 15, and when I add I get 8. So obvious that is 5 and 3. So all of them should be negative. Add negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. And then replacing them in my quadratic equation, it will be x squared minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 is equals to 0. I'll do grouping, and then I'll factor out x minus 5. On this side, if I factor out 3, I'll have x minus 5. X minus 5 should be equals to 0. So this one is negative 3. Doing that, I'll have x minus 3, x minus 5 should be equals to 0. I'm going to have x minus 3, x minus 5 is equals to 0. So that goes without saying that x is equals to 3 or x is equals to positive 5. So guys, I've managed to have the values of x, and then I want to replace in equation 1 or 2 in order to get the values of y. So let me say equation 1 was x plus y is equals to 8. But first case 1, I have x as 3, so 3 plus y is equals to 8. Y becomes minus 3 and y becomes 5. So case 1, the value of x when x is 3, then that means that y is equals to 5. Case 2, so in my case 2, when x is equals to 5, then x plus 5, then 5 plus y is equals to 8. That means that my y now becomes 3. So I have x is 5, y when y is 3. So guys, the two cases, when you substitute in our problem here, original problem, then you realize that it is true for when x is 5, y is 3, you get 8. In the second equation, when x is 5 and y is 3, if you try multiplying the two, you get 15. So the two cases for x is 5 is so guys, you've seen how simple it is. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Remember to watch other tutorials. Until we meet again, have a nice time.